An architect writes the stuff on the paper.
They draw the building. They build like different houses.
When you hear the word architect, it doesn't sound that fun, but when you try it, it's actually really fun.
Whoosh, look at that.
I need tape.
The aim of the National Schools Programme is to encourage all young people to have an understanding of their built environment.
Yeah, I think that's a good one.
The programme brings working architects from across the country into schools as ambassadors to run workshops. So far, we've reached almost 18,000 children.
Can everybody say architecture?
Architecture.
In the beginning, quite often, a lot of the kids have no understanding of what architecture is. It's about getting them on that journey and then starting to get them to ask questions. Why is this street that wide? You know, why is this building constructed like this? So, what have you drawn here? Okay.
It's like so fun, and I'm actually meeting a real architect.
I think an architect is cool.
So what we're going to start off by doing in this session is get you to choose a problem.
What issues, what problems do you know to... I wanted to be able to give back and give the younger generation an opportunity to really understand what the built environment is to them.
Kids are taught through society that buildings and the design of buildings, design of cities is for people other than them. And so this programme is great about teaching them, helping them to learn, helping them to form an opinion.
It made me feel like I have a chance, an opportunity to become an architect.
It helps you think about how all the different designs and all the careful thinking out of how the buildings are made, where they're placed.
We could design something that could help a lot of people.
We are committed to empowering the next generation with this inspiring, nationwide and free schools programme.
I could build houses for homeless people.
That's a very nice thought.
Very noble.